Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys a proper step-by-step guide for how to add a spin the wheel function or mini game to your Shopify app or Shopify online store without the use of apps or third-party integrations. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. The first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see, here it is. Here's what the dashboard looks like. And the idea here is we want to get access to the source code, bare bones structure of our Shopify store. And as you guys may know, Shopify uses the Liquid language to run their platform. And we're going to use the same language and import this line of code into our theme Liquid. So let me show you guys what I mean. I'm going to click on online store, and you'll be met with 5 different options being themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, preferences. And for the idea here is we want to click on themes and make our selection for which tab or which store we want to manage. So it's going to be this one. So I'm going to click on the ellipses or 3 dots next to it and click on edit code. And from here, let's actually close out of these first. So let's start from the beginning. You guys would want to go to the open layout tab and select theme Liquid. And under the title page, actually it depends on where you guys want to place this, but I would prefer the title. Right under this line of code, we're going to hit enter, and we're going to input this line of code right here. I'm going to paste it here, as you can see. And once you've made your changes, hit save, and you guys are done. Now you should have a fully configurable spin the wheel function when you guys go to use the site builder for Shopify on your online store. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so be sure to show your support with that by subscribing. So thank you all for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.